Are you tired of streaming crypto tips on YouTube or Twitch where no one trades your ideas? Imagine a place where viewers can trade your charts instantly and you actually get paid for sharing your skills. That place is KuCoin Live. In today's video, I'll show you why crypto streamers are moving here, how to start your first stream in minutes, and how to make money while you stream. And if you want viewers who actually trade, not just watch, then this is the platform for you. KuCoin Live is not just another streaming platform. It is a crypto trading platform built for streamers. You don't just talk about trades, you can share your chart and let viewers trade that pair instantly right from your stream, and you earn from that. No more link in bio or sending people elsewhere. KuCoin Live turns your trading knowledge into real action and real earnings. And if you're wondering why you should stream on KuCoin, the answer is very simple. You get paid for your skills. If you're good in trading, analysis, or whatever in the crypto market, you get paid for that skill. And when viewers trade your idea, you also get paid for that. And on KuCoin Live, you don't need to find people. The viewers are already on KuCoin with wallet open, ready to trade. You don't need to have hundreds of followers. All you need is to be KYC verified, have good trading insight like I said, and you're good to go. And you have to take note that your exposure depends on the quality of your content, not followers. So I will encourage you, if you are going to try this, to stream often and share valuable trade ideas so that you'll be able to get notified faster. So once your account is verified, going live is very easy. You look down, you see the live section, you click it, and this is what you see. And make sure that you have the latest version of KuCoin app so that you'll be able to see this live icon. So you look down here, you see this live icon and the floating camera, yes, down here. So you click on it and this is what we see. Now you can enter the topic for the live section or your live stream and enter a short description for the live stream. You put your starting time, then you get to choose if you want to go live using mobile device or desktop, which is PC. So you choose which one you want, and you have to take note that if you're going with mobile, this is for face cam style stream, and when you approve, you won't need an external streaming application. You just go live directly from KuCoin app, which is very easy. And if you choose desktop, which is PC, you will need to set up your OBS studio on your PC to be able to stream, which is also not difficult. And remember to put in your cover picture, your templates. All you need to do is to click on view templates, and you can choose the one provided by KuCoin, or you can design yours. So after waiting for a few minutes, you will see your stream here. Once it is approved, this is how it will show. And remember to test your camera or your mic before going live for it to look and sound professional. That is very, very important. So if you're using PC or if you're using mobile, you click on live stream up here and you'll be able to see your stream. So if you're using PC, you have the option here to copy your streaming keys. And if you need help setting your OBS studio, it is very easy. Let me know in the comment section, and also join my Telegram group. I'll be sharing the guide on how to set it up if you don't know how to. And one thing you should have in mind is that for you to be able to earn reward, you need to stream for at least 3 days a week, and each stream needs to be at least 45 minutes. And you need to stay on topic. Your stream must be crypto related. and it was B on KuCoin. Very important. And remember, the more value you give your viewers, the more you will earn as well. So if you have any question concerning earnings, concerning rewards, or the rules, let me know in the comment section. Remember to join my Telegram channel. And yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.